PA. Stopped up here at Beaver Creek State Park. Beautiful little place, about an hour and a half from where Pam is beheld. They have a barn up there. They do a pancake breakfast and stuff on some weekends through the summer or in the fall. They get a grist mill. Get these other old buildings. The covered bridge that once was used, I guess. And then they have a one-lane bridge. I'm going to go across that, and then they have walking trails and picnic benches and lots of tall pines, which is really nice to picnic under. They got the walking trail. A lot of people come up here and walk down along the creek there. Beautiful place, nice to check out. Like I said, usually have a big pancake breakfast right up there at the Red Barn, and there's a gift shop at the top of the hill. There's not a whole lot, but the lake is on the other side of the hill there, and the water comes in, hits the grist mill, and runs out back down this way on the bottom. So it's really neat how they used to do stuff and use water to uh, power making grain making flour. These were back in before the invention of steam and gasoline and all that. Water was the power, and you built a dam, and it was centrally located, and all the other towns around here would bring their grain here and then have it grind into flour, and then it would go out. And that was probably like early 1800s before locomotives and all that got involved. And really, it's a real short time span where we have been using gasoline and steam back in the day for quite a while. They used water. So hey, I thought I'd show you this place. It looks really neat. Like I said, I'm going to go across that one lane bridge there on my way out of here and find me some lunch. And they got a nice bathroom and stuff. So if you're looking for some place to ride, check out Beaver Creek State Park. It's a nice little place. Got plenty of parking. You walk your dog and all that stuff. But hey, check it out. I'm out.